Hello class, this is your instructor James, and I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to access our digital textbook and to also show you a new feature for the course that will be available for the remainder of the semester. So hopefully you realize that you did not need to purchase a textbook for this course because it falls under the Inclusive Access program at Front Range, which basically means that the cost of the textbook was included in your tuition for the course. So how do we access this product? Well, we go to Content from our home page, and details look working a little slow here, so we'll be patient. What we're going to want to do is go to the McGraw-Hill Connect and NutriCalc module. And there's some information here about how to register the product that has been included in the tuition and fees. There's a video as well as a document that will explain on how to do that. So when you first access this, you have to register the product. Basically, you're just creating an account and some login information. And then from the future, you don't have to do that anymore. So to get in, once you've gone through those preliminary steps, you'll go through the Connect Deep link. Now you're going to see a different page than what I see because I am an instructor in the course, you're a student. So we'll click over here to the student view quickly. And over here on the left-hand side where it says read, this is your digital textbook. So you can click on that, and depending on your device you're using and connection speed, it may take a few moments to pull up the digital textbook. So this is where you would go to read the textbook in lieu of a physical hard copy. The bookstore does make loose leaf versions of the textbook available, and I believe the cost is $25 or $30. Table of contents can be accessed here. So if you wanted to just read the textbook as is, this is how you would access it. Let's go back a page. Okay, here we are back on our landing page. I just wanted to point out while we're here, the Nutrition Calc Plus, or NutriCalc Plus program for short, is accessed from this link. And this is the dietary analysis program that you'll be using for all your homework assignments and the 3-day dietary analysis project in this course. There is a tutorial video that gives you a quick overview on how to create your profile, enter foods, and generate the reports that you need. So please watch that video. So the new feature in the course that I've added and that will appear throughout the semester are these Learn Smart SmartBook reading assignments. And basically what they are is essentially reading the textbook, but also answering questions that will assess your understanding of the content. So you always have the option to read the textbook using the ebook. However, I'm recommending that you use the SmartBook reading assignment to guide your reading and assess your understanding of content. So these will be approximately 60-minute activities, and you will earn bonus points. This is not a mandatory course activity, but it will be done based on your schedule and what your schedule allows on an optional basis for bonus points. So the chapter 1, and they all have due dates too, as you can see. So let's open up the first one here, clicking on begin, and once again it might take a few moments for the page to load. If you run into any technical issues, reach out to McGraw-Hill Connect and they will help you with those. So right now we're in the practice mode. We actually want to be in the read mode. So this is an option. Instead of reading the just straight digital textbook, which you're totally fine doing for this class, you can instead read the SmartBook. And so this operates in very much the same fashion. The nice thing is that you can actually use some features like highlighting various parts of the textbook, or SmartBook as it is. And this digital SmartBook is going to bring you through the major highlights of the of the textbook. Once you have read what you've needed to read of the SmartBook, then you're going to practice. So you click on practice, and then there's going to be, and it's going to vary from week to week, or chapter to chapter, I should say, on how many items that you need to respond to. So you're going to go through all these questions. Once you get to the end, there should be some type of finish or submit button, and it will let you know that you've completed the activity. At any time, you can always go back to the read mode if you feel like you need to do more reading of the textbook. So just to reiterate, these are optional. They are for bonus points. Okay, as I was saying, these are optional. They are for bonus points. There will be a full list of all of these SmartBook Learn Smart reading assignments here with their due dates. So they must be completed before the due date that is shown. And I will also put these within the our weekly course modules. So for example, here we are in week 2. If you scroll down to the very bottom, I have a quick link to that chapter's specific Learn Smart reading assignment for you. Okay, as always, please reach out to me if you have any questions about the course. I'd be happy to answer them for you by email or phone, or if you're on the Westminster campus, stop by and see me in A0217. And thank you for watching.